Welcome to H3 Splash Studio, where colors come to life. Welcome! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the ring bell. Today we are going to read a story, The Graphite Pencil Mystery. Where am I? Oh no! I'm locked up in this room with nobody with me. You must solve these pencil riddles. Tell me the right name for how it is written, and these pencils on the table must be connected to its picture, or you will not be able to escape. Oh no, I'm not a pencil expert. I don't know many pencils around here. I should look around the room for clues. Hello, hello, hello. Which pencil would you like to choose? Choose wisely, or you won't be able to get any. Oh no, what should I choose? There are so many pencils. Choose me, choose me, choose me. They all look so interesting. I think I should choose the graphite pencil. What do you do, Mr. Graphite Pencil? Graphite pencil help people write, but sometimes I help with sketches and art. That is very cool, Mr. Graphite Pencil. There are many types of me, but my main type is gray, beautiful color that is called an HB. I come in many different forms: mechanical pencils, woodless pencils, and normal pencils. Well, in this scenario, I'm an HB gray color, and I am the normal pencil. Well, my clues are over. I must now leave. Bye bye. That should be enough for me to know, right? Okay, now that Mr. Graphite helped us know what it was and how it looked so this should be enough. He said HB was right in the middle, so it must be the school pencil that says HB. This photo has very light markings, so that must be H. This one is so dark, that must be B. This one looks like it is HB because it draws perfectly normal and it matches how this school pencil writes. I think I found it. You have now matched a pencil. Now you will have to match the others. Oh no, that's harder. I don't know any other pencil types except graphite. Poof! That box appeared again? The end. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye. See you in the next video.